Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the market. Obviously seeing Cosmos down 16%, Near down 14%, Chainlink down another 9%. There's a lot of reasons we continue to see a very decreased market in the last week alone. If we take a look at the last week, you can see Bitcoin's down 11%, down to about 41.1K. Ethereum almost below 3K. We're seeing a lot of a decrease across the board. Avalanche actually seeing about a 25% decrease, as Algorand sees about an 18 to 19% decrease. You guys have seen these numbers, so I'm not going to kind of bore you with these numbers, but I want to jump into what I would be doing and what I am doing right now. So I have not actually accumulated too much during this dip because I do believe we could go much farther. When I say much farther, I'm thinking anywhere in that 30 to 32K range, possibly dropping below to about a 29K range as well. But, holding that support line at the very least is what I plan for, or really what I expect crypto to do. But what am I doing right now? So I actually just tweeted this out for you guys following me on Twitter. You'll get the information first, obviously, always. So make sure to follow me here, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. But basically, stake your crypto and wait patiently. It's the easiest way to win this type of market. And obviously, we have some great responses here, 100% great advice. I do think this is the best advice that anybody can give right now. And there's a lot of great different coins that have staking. And, we've talked about this list before, whether it's Cardano with about 5% or Polkadot with, about 12% APY. There's some great options here in just the top 20 market cap. I'm going to jump through some staking coins and talk a little bit more about how it works and why this is the way to go. So, before we actually talk about the 19 best staking coins for maximum passive income, I want to talk, and by the way, this was back in October 20th, and it's still very relevant. I'll probably skip through the list a little bit and find the ones I believe are the best to actually hold through this 2022 period. But when I talk about staking and why it's the best thing to do right now, it's because you go to Bitcoin and you zoom out, right? If you look at the market, the market's pretty much followed Bitcoin for the most part in the past. If we look at Bitcoin right now, you can see that any 4-year period or 5-year period, it basically just goes up over a matter of time. So if you buy at the wrong time, it really doesn't matter that much because 5 years from now, you're going to be at an increase yet again. Obviously, you want to try to buy the lows. It's definitely something that's hard to do, and that's exactly why we have dollar cost averaging or buying, a certain amount every week or a certain amount every month that you can afford to lose. So I want to jump into really staking, and that's exactly what this article is about here. So what is crypto staking? We're going to jump quickly through this and then jump to the coins that I believe you should be jumping into to actually provide you that amazing staking. So crypto staking doesn't require any extra equipment, unlike crypto mining. You can earn a certain amount of interest on your crypto holdings. So like I said, Cardano 5%, Polkadot about 12%. Staking is substantially less harmful for the environment than mining as well, which is kind of nice. And then staking directly enhances the efficiency and security of POS blockchains as well. So the risks of staking, crypto prices are very volatile. We all know that. That's exactly why I always tell you guys I'm not a financial advisor and you should do your own research. While it's possible to unstake your crypto earnings, doing so can take at least 7 days for certain platforms, and you should learn a little bit more about their terms and services if you're doing it on an exchange. I would suggest not doing any staking on exchanges if you can get away with it. Obviously, if you're staking Ethereum and you have less than 32 Ethereum, one easy way to stake Ethereum would be with 4.5% APY, which isn't bad at all, through Coinbase, and that's ETH2 staking. I want to jump down, though, and talk about some of these coins. So the first one that comes to mind on this actual, best 19 coins is BitDAO. So with the big name backers like Peter Thiel and Pantera Capital, investors can be confident in Bit being one of the biggest or next big exchange token. So a lot of people expect this one to continue to go farther and better and do better really all around the board. It's obviously going to be a Bybit referral code, so that's exactly why I kind of ignore this one when it comes to Bit staking. There's a lot of reasons to believe it could do well, and it does have 5% increase on the APY. If you want to look at Bit as well, I'm not sure if Coinbase has it listed. I could probably go to a different site if not, but I'm not going to look through. Okay, well, what we could do here, I'm going to actually go back, and I'm just going to kind of skip BitDAO just because, like I said, I'm not a big fan of Bybit, their strategy of just giving referral codes out that give $200, when you sign up. I just think that BitDAO is not really the best buy at the moment. It does have a $1.1 billion market cap, and if you look at the last month, it's down by 8%, 7.5%, so it's actually stabilized fairly well. But I want to jump into a few other coins as well. So we have USDT, which you can actually enjoy up to 3.5%. We have Ethereum, which is, like I said, about 4.5% on Coinbase, which is much better than the 2.5% that you can get with BlockFi. So definitely use Coinbase. By the way, if you want to jump into any of these exchanges and take advantage of buying or selling or even staking, like I said on Coinbase, I do have exchange links down below, so you can use those links and they'll actually help me out and help you out when you first sign up. We have USDC, which, by the way, is crazy, starting staking USDC and earn attractive rates at BlockFi's flexible staking offers. If we actually take a look here, this is Bybit yet again, but you can see Bybit does have some good things going on. They do have flexible staking, and you can see some of the best here. So the top ranking coins, Ethereum only at 1%. The good thing is USDC, you can actually get 2.5% right now. And you can see the amount staked as well. So USDT, 3%. So these are stable coins. So if you have stable coins that you don't want to jump into the market quite yet because you believe as well that the market's going to continue to kind of free fall down to about 30K, then it's a good idea to put this really, put your stable coins to use. Make some money back there. I want to jump down to Terra Luna. So Terra is among the best crypto staking coins because investing in really Luna coins is easy. The cool thing about Luna is its staking is around 12.10% annually. That's absolutely huge. Definitely a very, very big bonus there. We also have Polkadot, like I said, another 14% annual income or annual return there. 14% is huge. And a lot of people believe Polkadot is going to be on an upcoming 2022 jump as well. We also have Tezo. So Tezos is at 6.75 to 10.6. You guys have probably heard of a lot of these coins. That's why I'm not jumping too far into them because these are coins all in the top 30, top 50. If we were going into coins that were in the top 100 or top 200 instead of the, top 30 or 50, I would be more likely to jump a little bit farther into the project and talk a little bit about it. But if you guys want to learn more and you like some of these passive income really percentages, then definitely do so yourself. Jump into these websites, jump in and learn a little bit more about these coins before you buy them and take advantage of their APY. So the maximum APY as well with Polygon is up to 14%, which is a staking reward that is not something you should take lightly. 14% is absolutely huge. You won't ever find that, obviously, in today's market when it comes to just, if you're in America trying to get an interest rate, you're getting what, 0.003 or something. So just be careful about what you're doing outside of crypto because you're probably not earning anything with that income, or not that income, but that, coins, not coins either, with that cash that you have sitting in your bank. I always just refer to coins, refer to crypto as my daily, talking is all about crypto. So when I talk about cash, it's just hard to understand why people would hold money in a bank for 0.003% when you could have something like Hydra with 60%, which is a huge return, 60% APY. So basically, if you hold 100 Hydra, you have 160 Hydra at the end of the year instead of 100 Hydra. Just crazy how much you can get from some of this stuff. We also have Algorand, which is a very easy one to stake as well. This is one I believe you can actually stake through Coinbase again, which is really nice for those beginners. So 5 to 10% of your total investment. We have Pancake Cake, which is another one ranging from 31 to 42%, which makes it one of the best crypto staking coins on the market. I will say with Cake specifically, it has been struggling. I looked up Kale, I guess, with a C, which is interesting. But let's look up Cake here. All right, so Cake, you can actually see it there. It's gone down to $10.23. If you actually look, it had a nice push up to $42.59. I believe a lot of people put their stuff into staking during this first initial rise to 1892. At that point in time, we had a lot of people probably selling off their staking rewards and switching onto a new place to stake. Also, we had other things going on in the market during that time, and we definitely warned about that possible dip on this channel. So if you guys have not already, by the way, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I want to keep you guys up to date with everything. And this is, like I said, one of the main things I'm doing right now in the market. I'm staking everything I can. Obviously, Chainlink, not really yet to be staked, not really possible. The only way to actually stake Chainlink is going to be through something called BlockFi. And I've talked to you guys about this before. If we go to BlockFi.com, this is going to be the only way to really get rewards or passive income on on Chainlink until we do get Chainlink staking, which is supposed to come later in 2022. So your crypto can earn up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account or a BIA account. Interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reasons to wait. So definitely use BlockFi if you guys are interested in staking on some of these coins that just can't be staked in other places. I think it's definitely a very usable, very unique way to take advantage of it. I want to go to my profile here on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter and jump down just a little bit because we did just talk about KAI. So if you guys haven't heard about KAI, massive play to earn game, games actually launching on the KAI ecosystem, and they have APY above 9% on staking, which, in my opinion, like I said here, too risky not to hold. I think this is going to be a big, big deal with a lot of people excited about the KAI games that are coming out. There's a lot of great, great finished, polished games. So I also talk about here, link staking will be one of the biggest things of 2022, without a doubt. I still believe that. If we continue on down, we see that, this kind of relates as well. Zoom out, we knew the shakeout was coming. So we have a lot of belief that, if you zoom out, you could see within that 4 to 5 year span, there's always a positive or an increase in crypto so far. So until that really breaks away, it's looking very, very bullish still. But this is what I wanted to get to. So still trying to give that chain link away. If we hit $40 link by the end of January, I will give 100 link away. All you have to do is retweet this tweet here specifically and follow to be entered. So follow Crypto Profit YT on Twitter to be entered. We could easily see a flip around on the crypto markets. And if we do, $40 link is still within the reach. I will say, though, realistically, we are going to continue to put this, giveaway up every month until it is given out. So 100 chain link to hopefully one of my amazing viewers and subscribers that you guys are. So I want to jump back to that top 19 because there's a few more that I have not talked about quite yet. Solana is an obvious one. We had a huge ramp up from Solana. If we guys kind of walk into Solana, you can see this last year has been huge, going from about $26 up to $258 and now coming back down to about $136. A lot of people may be working in ideas or thoughts of buying Solana. If you do, it's not a bad option because you're getting 7 to 11% annual return depending on where you stake. You can actually stake Sol, by the way, with Ledger, Math Wallet, Atomic Wallet, and Exodus. So a lot of great places to actually stake your tokens as well. Avalanche AVAX, 8 to 14% as well. So a lot of great things to look at. And then Cardano, like I said, 5 to 9%. Realistically, 5% is about what you'll get. And that's really all I wanted to jump through, guys. Just some annual rewards that you can get with some of these amazing staking tokens. And the bottom line, staking your coins on a POS blockchain network is a great way to earn passive income and generate high returns. These investments come with very little risk and pay dividends if you withdraw your rewards at the right time. With this guide in hand, you should have everything you need to begin the staking process. So remember, guys, I want to say it again. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research. If you guys are interested in learning more about crypto, you're in the right place. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. As long as we are, really moving and learning a little bit more about crypto in the crypto market every single day, you're doing the right thing. And realistically, we are going to see that portfolio of yours continue to increase over time. And that is the overall goal, as you can see here on the bio, working to make everyone successful. And that's exactly what we're doing. So thank you again. I'll see you all in the next one.